Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn 1.3 poem in the type of Silver Rain by Langston Hughes. This is, as you know, that the rainy season is going around us, so we shall enjoy this poem nicely. In the time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. Green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads, and over all the plain the wonder spreads of life, of life, of life. So in the first stanza, the poet tells us about the rain. But how the rain is? The rain is silver. When the rain comes on the earth develops new life again. Green grass grows and flowers lift their heads. The wonder of life spreads all over the plain. Wonder of life means what? When the land is barren, when there is nothing on the ground. In which season? In summer season. How is the land? Land is too hot. The earth is too hot. There is nothing. But after rain, the flowers put out their heads. The grass peep out of the earth. So if you see everywhere, you can see greenery. The beauty of the nature. How it happens? It happens because of the rain. So the poet has given us the description of rain. When the silver rain falls on the earth develops new life again. Green grass grows and the flower lift their heads. The wonder of life spreads all over the plain. Oh life, oh life, oh life. This is the repetition of the line oh life, oh life, oh life. As we have the figure of speech in English literature, you can see different kinds of figure of speech. This is one kind of figure of speech. Repetition means any word or any line is repeated in the poem. This is called as repetition. So why the poet used this kind of figure of speech? To give a special poetic touch to the poem. So the poet has given this repetition figure of speech. So in the first stanza, the poet tells us that when the silver rain comes on the earth develops with new life, grass grows and flowers lift their heads, the wonder of life spreads all over the plain. Now see the second stanza. In time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky. As down the roadway passing boys and girls go singing too. In the time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. So in the second stanza, the poet tells that in the time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings. Silken, like silk. Silken, like silk. So what happens in the silver rain? In the time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings. Means the butterflies on the earth lift like wings to catch rainbow. To catch a rainbow cry. Means the butterflies get their silken, like silk wings they got, and they ran away to catch rainbow. Where is rainbow in the rainy season? It is in the sky. And trees put forth produce or develop. And trees put forth, trees develop or trees produce new leaves to sing. So the poet is saying that in the time of rain, the butterflies get silken wings to fly in the sky to catch the rainbow, and the trees got new leaves to sing. The trees produce new leaves to sing. How the leaves will sing? When there is a wind, that time they are making sound. When they are moving, they get one kind of sound. The poet thought that the leaves of trees, they are singing. In joy beneath the sky. Where are they singing? Under the sky. As down the roadway, passing boys and girls go singing too. The boys and girls who are passing by the road, they also sing. Why? In the rainy season, everyone is happy on this earth. Birds are happy, animals are happy, human beings are happy. In the same way, the poet is saying that the boys and girls who are passing from the road, they are also happy. How does the poet come to know that they are happy, boys and girls? Why? Because they are singing song and going. In the time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. In the time of the silver rain, spring and life both are new. The spring and the life both are new. So in this poem, the poet has described the new life, the new spring, the changes on the earth he have described in this poem. In the first stanza, I shall repeat again. In the first stanza, when the silver rain falls on the earth develops new life, green grass grows and the flowers lift their heads. The wonder of life spreads all over the plain. In the second stanza, when the silver rain falls on the earth, the butterflies lift like wings to catch a rainbow. The trees produce new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky. Boys and girls who are passing on the road also sing in the time of the silver rain. Spring and life both are new. In this way, this poem is there. The information about the poet: Langston Hughes was an American writer and activist who won many awards and honors for his work. He started a new style of writing poetry in which rhythm and spontaneous expressions are important in this poem. He describes how rain brings joy and life. So this is about the poem. Now we shall see the rhyming words. The poet had made a special kind of rhythm and rhyme. So we shall write rhyming words. Rhyming words. So which are rhyming words? Rain again. Rain again. Then heads spreads. And in the second stanza, wings sings. Wings and sing. Cry and sky. True and new. These are the rhyming words from the poem. So, you will read the poem. Your homework is read the poem, read and write the poem. Then write rhyming words. Now come on page number 9, English workshop. Find the pairs of rhyming words used at the end of the lines in the poems. We have written over here. This you have to write. Then read the poem aloud using proper intonation. Now third, English workshop third. If you were to draw a landscape on the basis of this poem, what elements will you show in it? What colors will you use? Now in this third workshop, what is the poet asking? You have to draw the picture of the rain. But which things are mentioned in the poem? The rainbow, the trees, then butterflies. These you have to draw in the picture. For that, which kind of colors will you use? Because you have to draw rainbow also, you have to draw butterflies, you have to draw trees, then grass you have to draw. So you have to use lot of colors. Then four, the special arrangement of short lines makes you think about every detail. If you write the sentence in the usual manner, it does not have the same effect. For example, the first stanza would be something like, the earth puts forth new life again, green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads, and the wonder of life spreads all over the plain in time of silver rain. Now try the following. Write one or two sentences about something beautiful using your own experience or imagination. Then arrange the words in the sentence in the poetic form. You may write about a beautiful day, a beautiful night, a stream, a crop standing in the field, a graceful bird or animal. So the next question for you. Write about a beautiful day in rainy season. Then next, fill in the following blanks with reference to the poem. I shall tell you, read the passage and I shall tell you have to complete your own this exercise. In the time of rain, when spring and life are new, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow, cry and trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky as passing boys and girls to go singing down the roadway. So the fill in the blanks I shall tell you. In the first blank you have to write life are new. The next, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow. In the third you have to write rainbow. The next, put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky as passing boys and girls to go singing down the roadways. Now English workshop 6. Think and answer. Is the poet talking about heavy rains in the rainy season or rain that has come after a long time? Which kind of rain the poet is talking about? The poet is talking about rain that has come after a long time. Which rain the poet is talking about? The rain that has come after a long time. So you will write English workshop 6. A and B. Next, are the boys and girls happy that it is raining? So yes, they are happy. Yes, they are happy. Then 7. Find out the following with the help of your teacher and the internet. Seasonal rains or monsoon in India and other countries, and rain in countries like UK which experience spring, summer, autumn, winter. This you will find with the internet. Now the next question, talk about your favorite season. But here we shall change the question. We shall write about your favorite season. Next homework is write about your favorite season. And the sixth is draw a picture of the rain with the help of poem. Then this you will write about your favorite season. You can write any. It is not compulsory that you have to write rainy season. You can write summer, you can write winter, which season you like, and for that you have to write the information why do you like that reason also you have to write in 10 lines. You write this in 10 lines. Next, English workshop 9, language study. Alliteration. When the same sound occurs at the beginning of two or more words in the same line, it is called as alliteration. What is alliteration? If the same sound is repeated in one line, that is called alliteration. When the same sound occurs at the beginning of two or more words in the same line. For example, Naina needs new notebooks. Here sound no. Naina needs new notebooks. So this is the example of alliteration. Means the same sound occurs at the beginning of two or more words. Then find an example of alliteration from the poem. Now collect other example of alliteration. So from this poem you will find out the example of alliteration. We shall see the next in the next period. Thank you. Have a nice day.